Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star, the next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, first we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. The next one is triangle. Now we're using yellow color and coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we're using the color of red. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle and using red color. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using red color. Now we're coloring the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.